Trying to balance this coffee here.
So, if you've ever been to Cuba via cruise ship, according to a new restriction set yesterday, this will no longer be possible. Alright, let's roll it. Alright folks, I promise we won't get political here, so let's just discuss what's going on. One of the most popular ways Americans would travel to Cuba have been through cruises, but now that no longer will be possible. One side argues that Cuba still continues to be a destabilizing force, and the other side argues that it is actually the Cuban people who are going to be suffering from this new travel restriction. So today, let's just drink some Cuban rum. Today we're going to be making a Cuban old-fashioned, using this delicious 7-year-old Cuban rum. But first, let's make a simple syrup. We're going to use Demerara syrup, which is a less refined sugar. And we're going to do a 2-to-1 ratio, just to add more thickness or more body to the cocktail. We're going to do 2 parts sugar to 1 part water. I'm going to measure 200 grams of Demerara sugar, and then I'm going to hit it with 100 grams of boiling water. And just make sure to stir it thoroughly. And if you find that you still have some undissolved sugar, you can always hit it in the microwave for about 15-20 seconds. Just keep an eye on it, don't let it boil. We're going to label it and put it in a bottle. Since this simple syrup is a lot denser and a lot more sweet, we're only going to use 1/4 ounce. We're going to do 2 ounces of the Havana Club rum, 1 dash of Angostura bitters, and just to brighten the cocktail a little bit, we're going to do 2 dashes of orange bitters. We're going to stir it just halfway as you would normally would, so about 5 seconds. We're going to add it to a rocks glass with a clear ice cube. And just to give it a fresh aroma, we're going to do a lemon peel. So I'm going to cut it and trim it to make it look nice. Rub it around the glass to perfume it. And in it goes. And ladies and gentlemen, a Cuban old-fashioned. Till next time, friends, cheers. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, smash like, whatever you like. And until next time.